Welcome everybody back to the channel. We're coming to you to cover some Zbcn. Zbcn, I made a video yesterday and put a video out on Zbcn pushing up to 0.03509. Now we need to hold this price on Zbcn. The time of this recording is, I would say, 4 p.m. I'll have it out to you by 6 p.m. We got about let's see how much time. 4 hours and 1 minute left in this day. We need to close out above this price right here. But there's some interesting information I wanted to bring to you on Zbcn. And you know, we got a strong bullish price action on Zbcn. I want to be clear on that. We're clearly in an uptrend. We got a strong push, and we're making higher highs. You can see right here on the chart, we made these higher highs right here. We pushed all the way up to 3,567. Now we're pulling back a little bit. Another thing I wanted to bring to you on the surface, what we're seeing looks like a breakout. And I wanted to bring something to your attention right here on the CVD. The CVD is steady in a downtrend. And this to me, this is a red flag with this push up, is what I'm saying. I was hoping that we could see these green candles that we had down here continue pushing up. It's still an overall downtrend, even while we're pumping up. So we need to watch and be careful of this. Don't be buying Zbcn right now at this price. Could be a trap. Just wanting to bring it to you straight up. A trap. We do have news that they're gonna make an announcement during the the Ripple event, and I do believe it's gonna be very bullish. Good news for Zbcn. But what this shows us that on this CVD here, that aggressive sellers are still active. Aggressive selling is still in control. And price going up without real buying support. That's the main thing that I want to bring to your attention here. And what it looks like to me, what we're seeing on the chart is a short squeeze, forced buying. We got shorts getting liquidated. We got price that goes up fast, and not no real demand is what we're seeing here on the chart. It looks like to me that retail, you got smart money selling into this push up. Real whales that's bought Zbcn at lower price is selling into this push up. And I just want to bring that to your attention. You got, and let's go over here and look at the spot CVD. Let's see. We do have spot. It's been accumulated. This has been good. This is one of the good things that we can see. This is the only bullish signal that I see on the charts that's telling the reason behind this, somewhat of the reason behind this pump. You got a lot of buying coming in. But there's not enough of mine, as if you can let me tell you, there's not enough of mine to confirm this trend upward. But what I see is we do have the overall structure of Zbcn. Is, to me, on the technicals I'm looking at on CoinGlass, is weak with a suspicious bullish pattern. And what we're seeing is a breakout that could easily turn into a trap. And I want to bring that to your attention. I'm a big supporter of Zbcn. I am a big supporter. I hold a lot of Zbcn. A lot of Zbcn. And this, I want to bring you some levels of interest to watch for on these charts. You can look this chart up on CoinGlass. What we need to happen to confirm this breakout, and it could happen if this is real bullish pattern, if this is real bullish breakout for Zbcn, we need CVD to move up, turn bullish. We need it to flip up strongly. Want to bring another thing to your attention. Over here on open interest, look where open interest is at. They ain't no new money coming in here. You got spot buying, but no new money, no open interest. It's not moving up. Nothing is showing us that you got new money coming in here. And we need this to break out. We need the open interest to start pushing up, really. I'm just bringing you some technicals that need to move up so nobody don't get trapped in this push up. If somebody tells you that Zbcn's going to 5 or 10 cents, or don't fall for the, it's going to cause you to hate Zbcn. Wait, and let's confirm that this breakout is bullish. We need to close the day out above 003500 and hold it. We really need to hold it. But as far as the price, it's looking like a bullish scenario, a bullish breakout. But on the CVD, we're still bearish, and on the open interest, we weak right here, weak. And that's what I want to bring to your attention. So we're above this 3500. We need to hold this, but we need open interest to move up, start moving up in strong, and the CVD to come in. We need, this is the Cumulative Volume Delta, CVD candles right here. This is aggressive buying and aggressive selling. Look at it. You got aggressive selling going on, and it's been going on for a while. But this right here is for somewhat. It don't pertain to just spot Zbcn, spot tokens. People buying spot. This is buying futures on the market, holding positions and predicting that it's going to go up or down. There's no volume on that. There's nobody trading Zbcn. It's been in a downward trend for a while, as you can see here on the chart. And with this price, we need that to move up. That's the reason. One of the reasons here, you got, see right here on, if you could see, let me pull it up. Let me see if I can pull it up. When we had open interest moving up, but then it dropped off. It just it just dropped off. You was going up on open interest, price was running up over here. Guess what? It dropped, price pulled back down. Same thing. You did slightly move up a little bit, and then price fell down. And now we got this on open interest. It just seems too much of a trap. Not being bearish, but this is like sell the news. I mean, buy the news, sell. sell the rumor, ever how they punt that. People buying in on the announcement that they're gonna make at the Ripple XRP event. They buying into that, and then if it's bad news, which I'm not looking for, we could you could see a major sell-off after that announcement is made, and that's what we're seeing here. We got a lot of spot volume coming in. People retail buying, they've been buying it for a while, but we need the CBD to turn bullish, and we need open interest to turn bullish. But right now, the only thing on the charts that's bullish is the aggregated spot CBD. So just be careful out there. Be careful. If we can hold this level, I do see us going higher. I do see us going higher. If we close the day out. We got probably about 4 hours left. We can close out up here. Close out above 0035, 3500. Where we at right now, around this range, but right above this line I got drawn right there, a little bit higher. We're doing good. That's a bullish structure to me, but we need the CVD and the open interest. See, we're pulling down now. Look how we're dropping right now. We at 3470. Volume looks pretty good down here. We got volume, but now we're on a red candle, but that could turn around. But if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. But we could see, I do believe we're gonna go up a little bit more. I do believe we're gonna push right on up, right into the announcement on this XRP Ripple event. I think they might be doing a little bit of partnerships because Ripple's a bank, and a lot of banks, handle a lot of payroll. And I think Ripple is wanting a partnership with, because if Ripple they becoming a bank, they putting it all together, and it'd be good to have Zbcn over there, handling payroll through Ripple. So it's a plus, a big plus, if we see this partnership be announced, a big plus. And but I wouldn't be necessarily long in Zbcn right now, from where it's already pumped, because we don't never know. This could be a market. The market's manipulated, and we know this, and it could liquidate people buying in up here until we confirm this breakout. But if you do buy, it's a chance you take it. I'm not here telling you to buy, and I'm not here telling you to sell. I got plenty of Zbcn. I'm not selling here. I'm holding for the long term. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.